Isn't it crazy? You can change the outfit from original to any outfit in just 1 minute. Follow till end. Let's start. First, open Adobe Firefly from Google, then Generative AI. Select image. Select of outfit which you want to change. Select the area properly. You can remove also by choosing other options. Now ready with a beautiful prompt. Here I am writing replace with red shawl suit lapel style. You can write any prompt based on your outfit selection. And after that, click on generate and then wait for insane results. See how amazing is the outfit looking? You can choose more to generate more images. Variations are great. Let's generate using insane prompt. Till then, hit subscribe and like. This time let's choose nice prompt like red color polyester and viscose-based double-breasted slim fit suit. This time results are amazing, like real. You can download and share with your friends and buy it.